Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete an existing user from our Mac computer. So let's see how we can do this within 1 minute. At first we need to click this Apple menu and it will bring this type of menus are there. From here we have to choose system settings. I'm going to click here and the system settings window will be appear shortly. From this system settings on the left side we'll find different menus are there. We have to choose users and groups. So if we scroll down we'll find users and group from the left side. I'm going to click here and right side it will be changed. By default it will show us all the user list from from this Mac on the right side. So I'm seeing there are 2 users, me and few users. Our goal was to delete one user, so I'm going to choose one user. Suppose the user is FewSteps. I'm going to delete this user. To delete this user, at first we need to access this user by pressing the icon I, which means information. I'm going to click here and it will bring this type of window. From here we have to choose the delete user, this button. So I'm going to click delete user and then very shortly it is asking the permission of to delete. So at first it is asking the admin password. So I'm going to type the admin password of this computer and then I'm going to unlock this settings, and then it is showing 3 options are there. Before choosing these 3 options, it is also giving us one warning. Are you sure you want to delete the user account FewSteps? Yes, we are sure. That's why we are going to do this thing. If you are not sure, then we can cancel it so that the user account will not be deleted. Now there are 3 options are there. So when we have a new user or we have an existing user, there is home folder for each of the user. So when you delete, by default it will delete. If we choose this one, delete the home folder, it will delete everything. And if we don't want to delete the home folder, we can create a folder where the user's data will be there, or we can also save the home folder in a disk image. So we can choose any of this option, but I'm going to delete everything for this user. I mean, there will be no file or no settings for this user. So I'm going to choose this option, delete the home folder. And before deleting, I'm telling you one more time that if you choose this option, everything will be deleted permanently. Here it is written over there. Okay, so if you are unsure whether you took the backup of the existing user data, please do that and then try to delete this thing. So I'm going to choose this option, delete the home folder, and I'm going to press this button, delete user. Once I click delete user, it will delete the user and all the data will be lost. So that's it guys. In this way we can easily delete on user from our Mac computer. Thank you guys for watching the video.